Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the third and final part for modeling a human foot. This is our basically completed look for the foot. Um, this I accidentally did without recording, so we're going to redo everything that I've done here. So we got nails, we got foot shaped up, and we got to like the basic calf here. So let's go ahead and start with the foot we have right now. We're going to take off the modifier because we want to see everything just kind of in a normal faceted view to start with. So let's go ahead and clear off any of these smoothing groups. And let's go ahead and start by moving around the pinky toe, which we can do just by selecting these two right here, growing them out. We're going to shrink it, rotate it, and we'll move it in up there. Okay, now let's grab these really quick, pull these in a bit here, so it's kind of reshaping the foot, but it's not bad, so it's just a quick little thing that we're doing here really quick. There we go, comes over a little bit more. Alright, so as you can see, we've got a lot to edit here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab all of these birds. We're going to pull them up a little bit. Because these are going to be the highest point, they're going to be like the peak of the foot. And then we're going to go ahead and grab these in here. Alright, we're going to pull these all down so they look like that. And then we can pull this one down. Alright, good. So that's the basic start for the foot. For the rest of the modeling here, and basically this is all cleanup. So you'll probably see me skip through this. So you'll probably see a quick run through of it all after I do like one loop. So basically, we're gonna be working with the loops inside of the foot. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the top view, and we're gonna try to get the loops going here. We already have basically a loop that we started creating, even though it's on accident, that goes up like this. So we're just going to continue that loop in here. So let's go ahead and grab this, pull that one in. Alright, I actually want to pull this one, that, and alright, that should be good. So this already has a loop. We're just going to keep all this stuff right here the same, well, besides this. So everything else here is just going to stay the same, and now we can start actually editing the foot. Alright, so let's go ahead and move this down first. We'll move this one over. Instead here. Alright, good. So let's check that out. Alright. Pull this down. All this down. Alright, so now we're going, okay, so we just finished that top view. Let's go ahead and start over here, and we're going to start by making sure that this is the peak. Then we're just going to pull down wherever we need to pull down. Try to get it looking as right as we can. Gives us a nice loop there. Okay, now something you may want to do is come into your front view and pull that down a tiny bit, like that. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do some editing here in the front view. So what we're going to do is we're basically just going to be editing this whole part. So this part, we're going to pull down, and we want to loop up, kind of like this, but we want to loop into the heel here. So mesh smooth. There we go. So there should be your foot. As of right now, that's how your foot should look. Alright, looks like we need to do a little bit more on the toes though. So we're going to grab these here. I'll pull down, kind of straighten them. Looks a little better. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to just start with really quick up here. Very easy to do. We're just going to grab these. Extrude once. Alright, that's where the basically ankle will be. And I'll just pull this up. And well, actually did it like this. And then we'll extrude them again. Pull it up. Then now you should have something similar to this. And now what we want to get done are the toenails. And we're going to do this a quick and easy way. Just going to take that off. Okay, quick and easy. So we're going to start by extruding down. Negative, very, very little. So we'll go -1. Okay. Go ahead and scale it in. Go ahead and now what we're going to do is we're going to scale up a tiny bit here. Okay, let's see here. Continue. Apply. Click OK. Scale it down like this. Oh, and before we do that, go ahead and grab the insides here, as you can see, right there. Okay, extrude these out. Okay. And now you may notice that they go over, but when you do this, they won't go over. Alright, and now go ahead and scale that in. Let's grab all of your 3 here, so you should have 3 of these selected. Like so. Go ahead and scale. Now we'll mesh smooth. Should be left with something similar to that. As you can see, it's rounded out. Alright, so click M. We'll give it a different material. This has actually got some crossiness to it on the line. So like that. And you shouldn't notice anything too major. And obviously we have another smooth. Looks pretty decent. Now this one's a little weird, so we're going to go in here and we're going to check it out. Best thing to probably do with this is grab the end here and pull it out some more. What it is, that way. That's a little bit high. There we go. I'll make it a little bit more pointed. And that's it for this video tutorial. I'm thinking about doing a sculpt video tutorial. Oh, wait, before I end it. Okay, so last part here. We're just going to grab the heel. And right there. Pull this down. Alright, go to your front view. Grab a few vertices towards the middle. Alright, so we're going to grab a few vertices towards the middle here. So we'll grab these. We'll grab these. Now you're going to put those up for an arch. Alright, so you're going to be left with that. And this is how your foot should look. Alright, that's the end of this video tutorial, guys. I'm thinking about doing a video tutorial where I go through sculpting the foot and adding UVW on wraps and stuff. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll do a video tutorial on that. And yeah, that's it, guys.